Welcome. If you're looking to keep your Telegram folders tidy and free from muted chats on your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest Telegram update, excluding muted chats from any folder is easier than ever. Let's walk through the steps together so you can focus only on the conversations that matter most. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. On the left side of your screen, you'll see your list of folders. Find the folder where you want to exclude muted chats. Now right-click on that folder. This will bring up a menu with several options. From the menu, choose Edit Folder. This will open the folder settings, allowing you to customize what appears inside. Look for the option that says Add Excluded Chats. Click on it, and you'll see a list of filters you can apply. Here's the key step. Check the box labeled Muted. By doing this, you're telling Telegram to automatically exclude all muted chats from this folder. This means any chat you've muted, whether it's a busy group, a channel, or a one-on-one conversation, won't show up in this folder's list. Once you've checked Muted, click Save to apply your changes. That's it. Your folder will now only display chats that aren't muted, making it much easier to keep track of important messages and reduce distractions. This update is perfect for anyone who wants a more streamlined Telegram experience. By excluding muted chats from your folders, you can focus on the conversations you actually want to see, without clutter from less important groups or channels. If you ever want to change this setting, just repeat these steps and uncheck Muted. Customizing your chat folders is a great way to stay organized and make Telegram work for you. Thanks for tuning in. Enjoy your cleaner, more focused chat list.